the application will ask you a series of questions, and all you have to do, we can either skip it or you can go ahead and answer. Regardless, once you have pretty much reached this section here, you can start speaking with your personal AI partner. So you can tap on the start chat option here. You'll be able to speak with the AI partner. So let me just tap on this option here. As you can see here, this is pretty much you speaking with your AI partner right now. So you can pretty much go ahead and ask the AI anything, as well. You can upload photos and so forth. So nothing much for that here. And as you can see here, we'll pretty much play some videos and so forth. As you can see here, pretty much at level 1 as it relates to your relationship with this AI chatbot here. As you can see here, I'm pretty much at level 1, so total stranger. So that's really pretty much it for that here. And as well, you can tap on the icon at the top here to purchase coins. So you're going to need coins as it relates to this application here. Mainly coins to send and speak with these chatbots. Not just one, you need to speak with multiple chatbots as well. Some of them you may need to unlock some of these, and going to require you coins to unlock some of these chatbots. As you can see here, for example, Hell is here. I do tap on this option, it will ask me to get your subscription. So I'm going to need subscription to get access to some of these chatbots. And as well, we need coins to unlock some of them as well. So as you can see here, it does require $30 coins to unlock. $30, you'll have to pay them separately to unlock this chatbot here. But anyways, once you have selected whichever chatbot you want to speak with, scan here, this one here. I'm not sure how much coins per messages, but I'm going to just ask the AI here something random. And as you can see here, I did get a reply. I can pretty much tap on this play icon here to let the AI speak with me as it relates to the answer that I have given. So very simple application here. Nothing much, just would say a dating chatbot application here, which can speak with females or males, whichever settings you have allowed it to be. So in the settings option here, as you can see here, you can go ahead and get your subscription and so forth. So nothing much, you can go ahead and purchase your coins. So at the top here, you can also give yourself a name and so forth. So nothing much for that option. As well, you can tap on the Get Pro option at the top to get their Pro subscription. As you can see here, they offer a yearly subscription and a monthly subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if we can help you out.